Welcome back to Living with a Classic. It's a windy day here, but I promise I'll show you the Fern Grey XJC all ready. Customers coming picking up in about an hour or so. I've done the last couple of test drives. I didn't bring you guys along with the camera. I don't want anything to happen with this car. This is a year and a half in the making, hundreds and hundreds of hours. But I'll give you guys a walkthrough. We'll start it up. It runs beautifully. Looks beautiful, drives really nicely, put quite a lot of miles on it already, somewhere around, I think, 200 kilometers at least. So it seems to be working as it should and running nicely. But let's give you a walk around and show you everything and see what you think of the Fern Grey XJC. And here it is, sitting on Kent wheels, and it's Fern Grey with... It has light carpets. I'll have that one out at the moment. When you look at the side, it has a gorgeous interior. Everything is brand new. Even the door cards and everything is leather as well. It has a nice new headliner, door seals, you name it. The only thing we kept from the old car was the dash was in nice shape, and that's pretty much it. It is resto mounted a bit. It has a Series 3 drivetrain, which you'll see in a little bit. Series 3 dials. Air conditioning blows nice and cold. It has a Fern Air system on it, which you know I like to use. Here we have the only part we really haven't touched. I've just done some cosmetic things on the engine, like paint the block and clean it up. But the engine was in very good condition. It doesn't have a lot of miles on it since a rebuild. It's pretty obvious. Put a new clutch in and changed all the fluids and everything. Has a new viscous coupling on it. We have Fern air conditioning working very nicely. It's fuel injected, and it has the LT77 5-speed that we talked about. So that's all very nice and lovely. Under here, do a little walk around of it. It's a little dusty at the moment. Just gone for a couple drives, and it's, you know, showers every now and then. Ooh, yeah, like I said, it is really, really windy. But it's one of those cars you want to show outside with everything. Here you see the carpets and everything. Absolutely gorgeous car. All the sound deadening. It is nice and quiet. Has a new vinyl top. I am very, very pleased with it. And I think the owner is as well. So this is hundreds of hours in the making. Lots of new parts. Has a fast road kit on it as well. So it drives and handles very nicely. I really like the way it drives. I'm happy I'm going to fast road kit in my car. The 5-speed makes it really, really nice. We changed the diff ratio. I can't remember everything off the top of my head, but we went one ratio. I'm not sure which way you go, but it is lower RPMs at highway speed. So it's about 2,500 RPMs at 120 kilometers an hour. So it is a real nice cruiser in that way, but still nice and quick with, you know, the big valve head and fuel injection and all that. It's still a nice quick engine, or just cars and drive in general. I hope you guys have enjoyed the process. I've tried to film as much as I can. It's when I'm building for someone else, I don't always have the time because ultimately I want to get done with it. There are a couple issues and things that popped up along the way. We might talk about those some point in the future. But right now, we have this Fern Grey XJC, and it's ready to go to its new owner. I hope that you liked this video and the video series. I'll try and make it all into a playlist and put a link to it down below so you can catch up if you want to. Oh yeah, I promise we're going to fire it up. So let's just go in and fire it up real quick. Let's fire it up. Straight into life. Starting to get air conditioning going. Still came back maybe about half an hour from a drive. Still has some heat in it. Very, very nice and quiet. Running very smoothly. Keeps good temperature as well. Seems to be a sweet running XK engine. Anyways, I hope that you really have enjoyed this series. Like I said, I'll try and put it all in a playlist down below. And who knows, maybe we'll see the car again in the future in case it needs something. Or, you know, a big build like this, you're never completely done. I'm trying to talk about the owner. There will always be things. You can't touch every single thing on the car or replace every single thing. So something can go wrong and may go wrong in a 50-year-old car. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot. Until next time, I'm Adam. This is Living with a Classic. I'll see you soon.